Upgrading your windows is one of the most impactful improvements you can make to your home. For homeowners seeking long-term value, durability, and energy efficiency, vinyl windows continue to stand out as a smart choice. In Glendale, where homes are exposed to intense sunlight and fluctuating temperatures, vinyl windows offer a practical solution that delivers both performance and lasting benefits. Built to handle Glendale's climate, homes in Glendale often face prolonged sun exposure and heat. Vinyl windows are engineered to withstand these conditions without warping, cracking, or fading. Unlike wood, vinyl does not absorb moisture, and unlike metal, it does not conduct heat as readily. This makes vinyl windows especially effective at maintaining consistent performance in challenging environments. High-quality vinyl frames are designed to remain stable even during extreme temperature changes, helping Glendale homeowners avoid common window issues caused by heat stress. Improved energy efficiency and lower utility bills. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is their energy efficiency. Modern vinyl window frames feature multi-chambered construction that enhances insulation and minimizes heat transfer. When combined with insulated glass, these windows help keep indoor temperatures stable. For Glendale homeowners, this means less reliance on cooling systems and more manageable energy costs. Over time, the energy savings alone can make vinyl windows a worthwhile investment. Low maintenance. With long-term performance, vinyl windows require very little maintenance compared to other materials. They do not need painting, staining, or sealing to protect against sun or moisture exposure. Occasional cleaning is usually enough to keep them looking new. This low-maintenance benefit is especially appealing to Glendale homeowners who want reliable performance without ongoing upkeep. Vinyl windows maintain their appearance and functionality year after year with minimal effort. Resistance to sun damage and fading. Constant sun exposure can cause some window materials to discolor or deteriorate. Vinyl windows are manufactured with UV-resistant additives that help protect against fading and brittleness. In Glendale, where sunlight is intense for much of the year, this UV resistance ensures vinyl windows maintain their color and structural integrity for the long term. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Vinyl windows provide excellent insulation, helping reduce outdoor noise and maintain a quieter indoor environment. This added comfort can make a noticeable difference in everyday living. For Glendale homeowners, improved insulation means a more peaceful home and better temperature control throughout the year. Increased home value and market appeal. Installing vinyl windows can increase a home's resale value and overall appeal. Buyers often look for energy-efficient upgrades and low-maintenance features, making vinyl windows an attractive selling point. In Glendale's competitive housing market, vinyl windows can help set your home apart by signaling quality, efficiency, and thoughtful upgrades. Design versatility. For any home style, vinyl windows are available in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes. Whether your home has a modern, traditional, or transitional design, vinyl windows can be customized to match your aesthetic preferences. This versatility allows Glendale homeowners to enhance curb appeal without sacrificing performance or durability. A smart investment for Glendale homes. Vinyl windows combine durability, energy efficiency, low maintenance, and long-term value. For Glendale homeowners looking to improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and enhance property value, vinyl windows are a smart and dependable investment that continues to pay off over time.